Building a thriving economic base in the Sacramento region takes time and resources. It also involves expanding businesses and building a diverse and qualified workforce. The Sacramento Enterprise Zone is an incentive program that creates jobs that help the region and state compete for new business opportunities. Within the Sacramento Enterprise Zone boundaries, more than 10,000 companies can take advantage of a variety of benefits that will help reduce their state income tax.
My company is Military Aircraft Parts. We're a manufacturer of replacement airplane parts for the U.S. military. We make things like wings, components, ducts for the air conditioning and heating systems. Once a year, we hire a company that comes in, audits our books, and looks at all the employees that work for us. And if they're eligible, they tally up a number for us, and we take that directly off of our state taxes. Last year's number was between $400,000 and $500,000, so very significant amount. We were very happy to get that. The savings allow us to buy more machinery and increase our capabilities to the U.S. military, which in turn makes us more competitive and allows us to make different parts for the military that they really desperately need.
If you're looking to build and expand your business in the Sacramento region, you may be able to take advantage of the Sacramento Enterprise Zone program. To see if you qualify or for more information, visit www.sacez.org.